Hey, what's up guys? My name is Sharon.
My name is Jack.
And welcome back to our channel. Before we get started, you know what to do. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button for us. Give us a thumbs up so we can keep bringing these videos to you. Okay? So today, we're going to talk about the most popular person on the planet.
Oh, suck it now.
We will be back with financial tip number 11.
Y'all see this crybaby over here? Well, he's suffering from a broke millionaire mindset, just like some of you. So we got some not so average financial tips for you, to fix your thinking. But make sure you hit the subscribe button first, so we can keep them coming your way. We gonna be in your face.
Financial tip number 11. Before we get into the financial aspect of this tip, I have one question to ask. Who the hell is everybody?
A donkey?
The reason I ask that is because no matter who I'm speaking to, they are always talking about this person named everybody.
I know the types.
Girl, everybody is there. Everybody's going. I'm gonna tell everybody. Everybody's doing it. Please, everybody wears that.
I ain't never seen nothing so foolish.
If everybody's doing it, it's okay. Really? Some of you want to look like everybody, talk like everybody, dress like everybody. But let me tell you something. If you don't start following your own life's path, you're gonna be broke like everybody.
You must be crazy.
That is the most popular person on the planet right now. Everybody. What some of you fail to realize is that everyone is here for a reason. Okay? We are all blessed with different talents.
You got bills, man.
Wonderful gifts. But they're meant to be shared amongst the population, society. Okay? And some of these gifts can really put you in a financial state that is beyond your wildest dream if you would only take action. All right? But instead of following your own life's path, doing what you were created to do, you'd rather follow this person named everybody. Okay?
Hell no!
I read a quote the other day that said, "Why do you try so hard to fit in if you were meant to stand out?"
Hello!
Think about that. You need to ask yourself the question, why am I here? It definitely isn't to follow everyone else. You're not here to be like everybody. You're here to be like you. Don't you think that you are good enough to be you?
This will change your life.
Think about that. You have so much to offer and so much, even more to gain. All right? Financially, spiritually, emotionally, you have so much more to gain if you would just be you and let everybody go.
Stop wasting your time.
Anyways, that's all I really have for you guys today. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, okay? Give us a thumbs up, share, please. We will continue with these. I'm gonna keep doing my thing because I'm doing my thing. I'm not doing what everybody else is doing. I'm an individual and I'm gonna do me, whether everybody agrees or not, okay? So I will see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.